In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate video clips in DaVinci Resolve. If you need to reuse the same shot more than once in your edit, duplicating a clip is one of the quickest and most useful things you can do. This is especially helpful when you want to repeat a moment, create a cutaway, or place the same clip somewhere else on your timeline without having to import it again. The good news is that in DaVinci Resolve, this process is very simple. To get started, go to your timeline. This is the area where your video clips are arranged in sequence and where you build your edit. Once you're there, locate the video clip that you want to duplicate. Take a moment to make sure you've selected the correct clip, especially if your timeline has several layers or many short edits close together. Being precise here will help you avoid copying the wrong piece of footage. After you've found the clip you want to duplicate, right-click on it. This will open a context menu with several editing options. From that menu, choose Copy. This tells DaVinci Resolve to store that selected clip so you can place another version of it into your project. If nothing seems to happen, that's normal. The copy command usually works silently in the background. Next, paste the clip. This will create a duplicate of the original clip in your timeline. Before pasting, it's a good idea to pay attention to where your playhead is positioned, because that can affect where the duplicated clip appears. If you want the copy to appear in a specific place, move the playhead there first, then paste. That gives you more control over your edit and saves time repositioning the clip afterward. And that's it. You've successfully duplicated a video clip in DaVinci Resolve. It's a small action, but it can really speed up your workflow when you're editing. Once you get comfortable with it, you'll probably use it all the time for repeating footage, testing alternate edits, or building out more complex sequences. If the clip doesn't appear exactly where you expected, just check your timeline position and try again. With a little practice, this will become a fast and natural part of your editing process.